So you might have seen these or even ridden these. These are some of the best electric high-performing motorcycles out there. But have you seen these or ridden these? These are the latest Bengaluru-based startups producing their futuristic electric sports bikes MFlux One and the ultraviolet F77. So let's take a closer look at these throughout the video. This is Pawan and I Insist Tech. Let's get started. Let's start with MFlux. This is a Bengaluru-based startup co-founded by three people: Varun Mittal, Ankit Khatri, and Vinay Somsekhar. Now, this is a performance motorcycle, the MFlux One, and it looks clean and sporty, of course. Especially, I like the way the swing arm and the headlamps look. And this motorcycle performs really well too. The spec sheet goes like this. It has an AC induction motor which is liquid cooled and can give out a peak power of 60 kilowatts. The battery capacity is 9.7 kilowatts and is air cooled. This can reach a top speed of 200 kmph and claim to do 0 to 100 in just under 3 seconds because its motor can produce a peak torque of 84 Newton meters and can give a range of 200 kilometers in city conditions and almost 150 kilometers in highway conditions. Talking about the charging speeds, they can charge from 0 to 100 in less than 3.5 hours with a slower charger and can DC fast charge from 0 to 80 in less than 30 minutes and has a smart console for instrumentation. So far, the numbers look really promising, and this bike rides really well according to a few trusted sources who were lucky to get their hands on them earlier. The energy density numbers and the overall pack itself has to be bigger to squeeze out that amount of performance numbers and that range number of 200 kilometers, which even our Indian entry-level electric cars are not able to achieve. And according to the CEO, the total battery weight is 50 kilograms and the total curb weight of the bike itself is 169 kilograms. Here we can see that the focus has been put into making the battery really well without compromising on its weight, which led to higher performance numbers and range numbers. Now this is still in its prototype stage and has got time to come out, and of course it's going to cost a lot as expected. I mean, which early adopter of a technology got a great deal anyways? Another hyped up electric performance motorcycle is also from a Bengaluru based startup called Ultraviolet Automotive with their product, the F77. Believe me, first time I saw this bike on YouTube, my jaw dropped. I mean, can you believe this thing? It looks fast, is fast, and is made up of very high quality material while paying all the attention to detailing. Founded by two people back in 2015, Narayan Subramaniam and Neeraj Rajmohan, and they have really come a long way with their product. The spec sheet looks something like this. Has an AC motor that produces a peak power output of 25 kilowatts. This bike can accelerate from 0 to 100 kmph in less than 7.5 seconds thanks to its motor producing 90 Newton meters of peak torque, has 3 separate battery packs which are modular and can have a total capacity of 4.2 kilowatt hours and a range of 150 kilometers per charge. Top speed is around 150 kmph, can charge up from 0 to 100 in less than 5 hours with a slower charger, and with a faster charger you can juice it up in less than 1.5 hours, and has a smart console on the dash. This sports bike too looks very promising and is still in its prototyping stage and not far from launch. I like the point of 3 modular batteries, which makes sense and gives you a sense of security because they are not just simple packs of cells. They have their own computers and intelligence systems built into them, which makes them a standalone tech piece, which truly makes them modular. This motorcycle weighs around 158 kilos curb, which is slightly lighter than the MFlux One, and the credit should be given to the modular battery. Both the motorcycles, the MFlux One and the F77, are really tough competitors to our Indian 200 to 250cc or even 300cc motorcycles out there with their improved motor performance and battery technology. They are indeed pricey as of now, like any other early tech product. I mean, even Ather scooters are put into the premium category. You see, only early adopters are gonna purchase these motorcycles because there's a lot of demand for cheaper motorcycles in the country. Anyways, I love both the motorcycles. They look premium, they ride fast, they are Indian. Hopefully, I will get to test ride them somewhere in the future when the production models hit the road. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Which motorcycle did you like the most, the F77 or the M Plus one? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you ended up liking the whole video, don't forget to leave a like. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, this is Pawan signing out.